Hi YouTube viewers, welcome back to my new video. In this video we are going to see how to write a table. Like we will take an input, write a program that prints the multiplication of a table. I will take an input of a number and a row. How many rows means 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 3 are 15 ones, 3 rows or 4 rows, whatever it is required. So without wasting time, let's get started. So for that we will first initialize few variables like integers, right? So we need a number, we need a row. That's it. And we will have our inputs. To take the input from the user, we use scanf. Already I have mentioned. In this program, we'll basically learn mostly about the for loop, which is very much required in this for this program. So for loop starts with an variable which from where we need to start. So I need a variable, so I'll take I as an integer. So next would be a condition. So initialization, condition, and increment or decrement. That's how for loop works. So basically, so I have initialized as 1, then I have given a condition like till the row should be equal or less than the value, and I have increment the value once it is the loop is getting completed. I have incremented the value. Now printf will help me out to make it in the order. Here I will not take any third value variable. So let's do it first. Let's try without using third variable. So it is showing some error. I can able to see like there is an error like print. I have only written print, so I need to use printf. So that's what it is. So write the printf, that should be fine, and then just make it out. So everything goes fine. So just give the input values and all. So that should be helpful for you. So that's all for this video. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.